Hello guys, welcome to Tradewell Club, and today we will discuss our weekly stocks and mostly which all stocks going to give a breakout from the current levels. So the first stock is what I'm looking at is TWL. Basically, this is Tida Wagons Limited, and if you observe something in a technical parameter, this is basically a one-day time frame candle what I'm looking at. And last time what we had bought at this particular location, and what I was saying that people that we already made 185% returns from last 1 year. So now what is our levels? So that is more important. Now if you observe something in this particular view of this candle patterns, and let me change to 1 week time frame. So in a 1 week time frame, it is giving a single upside momentum. So what is happening here? This was a main resistance or a support area, and it is given a amazing breakout. Now again, when I'm checking in the consolidation pattern, what happened here in this particular location? It given a small consolidation in this particular place. From there, it has given a up move. Now what we need to understand how this up move is possible to take a chance from this particular location. So this is a good buy range here, and whenever there was a consolidation, if you observe in this type of market, always it has given a amazing upside momentum. So if I observe right now, based on my consolidation team, right now this is a breakout of consolidation which is 427, and you can expect it somewhere around the 480 to 520 levels in coming days. But yeah, maybe there was a small what do you say, a retest at this level, and it can go upside. So this is our first stock. So let's move to second stock. Our second stock is today's Genus Power Infra. So basically this is one of the good breakout stock once again, and what I'm looking at is a major consolidation breakout it is giving in a 1 day time frame. So if I'm seeing in a 1 day time frame, observe something in this particular location that in this place this was a consolidation phase, and market gave an amazing upside momentum, but it was a resistance and support point for a particular uh, place. So what happens in this script that right now if you're observing this particular momentum is giving with amazing volume breakout. So what we can see that above 104 it is a good buy zone for us, and what I can expect that around 10 to 20% returns from this particular location, and I will update the target somewhere at 120 to 130 140 levels. It might go from this particular location. So Genus Power Infra is a very good stock, and it always given upside momentum. So this is the right time to buy, because last time also from this consolidation zone it has given the good upside momentum. So let's go to a next stock, which is HAL. What we are looking at, HAL is very bullish from this particular place, and we might get a amazing earnings this time also. See, every time from last 1400 levels what we are holding HAL, and it has given beautiful returns as of now. And observe something in if you're making a trend line at this particular location, and if you're seeing a below lower trend line support, it always given a upside momentum breakout. So this was a particular channel for a consolidation. So always market retested these particular levels here, and it has given a upside momentum. So what I am expecting right now from this particular location, we might expect more 30-40% returns in a short term here. Like my first target maybe around 4200, second target maybe around 4600. But yeah, if you are taking option trading here, so right now you can consider the options here as well. For 3800 CE, what we already made around 300% returns on Friday. But yeah, again you can consider this as good momentum spike, and MACD and RSI is also very close in a buying zone. So HL is a very good stock for a long term also. So my long term target is around 10,000. But yeah, if we are getting a split in HL after 5 to 6,000, it is a amazing jackpot for a holding period of 5 to 6 years. So our next stock is RSA Limited. What you can see here again, this stock is giving amazing momentum after every consolidation breakout. So this is basically a 1 day time frame. So what I'm seeing here, this location is giving a beautiful momentum here. So let me see the trend line here, and second trend line what I can see is somewhere here where the market is giving amazing support and resistance every time in this particular zone, and always this consolidation phase is acted as a resistance for this particular script. Now what happened from here, if you observe something in this particular zone, what you can see that particular location market actually given a retest of this particular zone and again given a upside momentum. So now what we need to understand that how to take the trade from here. So this is a spike what I'm looking at, an amazing volume is generated at this particular price, which is 147. So my target is around 160 to 170 in a short term, maybe within 1 or 2 weeks what I'm expecting this price. So next is electro steel cast limited. What you can see, this particular script is giving amazing momentum run again, plus consolidation breakout again. So if I am observing something in this particular location, every time market consolidated at this particular place, one, two, three, fourth time, and finally from last 2022 to 23 now, finally this stock again went a small upside and again took a retest from this 47 levels and suddenly a flight to 52 levels, and huge volume is generated at this particular location. So what we can expect, it will go around 70 to 75 within next 2 to 3 weeks due to high volume generation. So this is a very good small stock, and already on Friday last trading session it was 8.3% up, so you can expect more upside within next week. So our next stock is the Textrail. Again, Textrail was our last week stock, and it has given already amazing returns. And if you observe something, this was in a downtrend for a much time, and now it is given a breakout from this consolidation zone. So this was a consolidation zone for this particular stock, and it's always tried moving upside direction from the bottom. So it made its bottom around last year around 2020, and from there it took a support every time in this particular location and went up. But yeah, it was always a rejection from this particular place, because if you observe something in another trend line what I'm going to make here, so these all the places where it was getting rejected from this location and again went up, but consolidation zone again rejected many times and it went down, took a your trend line support and went up again. From here, the moment it is given a breakout from this particular location, what you can observe, heavy volume generated and it has given a beautiful upside momentum here in this particular candle. So this is very bullish candle, and this candle will give you amazing upside momentum from here. So my target is around in a short term, if you're buying at 67 rupees, my target is around 76 to 80 rupees in a short term. And if everything is good in a weekly time frame, what I can see is next target is because 67 rupees is again a rejection point here, so it should give a breakout and we can see a direct upside momentum from here. Around 110 is a high, so you can expect a big jump from this place. So this is a very good stock again. And next stock is the Paytm, most discussed stock in stock market of India, because the day it opened its IPO, it started its downturn journey, and whoever is bought got stuck very badly with their capital, and it parked everybody's money for the long time frame. And now if I'm seeing in a daytime time frame, it is given amazing consolidation breakout here. See, it is a stage one breakout basically. So what is stage one, I'll explain you. So if you're taking a trend line from this particular location, it always tested the bottom. So in a phase one, what happens in this location, when it made a bottom of the IPO and it tried to go up and got a rejection at one point, where it got a rejection last time also, again it took a downside, again broke the bottom of the low, and from there it started its journey to consolidate, making new high always, and again at this particular location where it got rejected last time, and now it is crossing that rejection, that is called stage one breakout. So in this particular momentum, almost all the stocks will go very high from this particular location, because stage 2 what I am seeing target is around 1097 to the another IPO level breakout, which is 1270. So soon we can see these levels in Paytm. So it is considered as the best swing trade for the coming week. So and earning is also expected soon. So around Wednesday, August 30. Period ending is on June 23. So we can expect something good momentum happening. But yeah, what I am expecting as per the technical analysis here, it will retest these all levels, and from here it might give a breakdown or a breakout, so based on the earning report. So you need to be very patient when you're trading with this type of stocks. So but it is a good for the swing entry, and you can surely you can earn some of the money here in this swing. Next stock is BEL, which is Bharat Electronics Limited. I agree, this is a slow mover stock, but yeah, currently what is happening here is we can't make a quick swing money from these all stocks, but it is very slow mover. So if you observe something in a day candle here, if I am creating a trend line, see, very slow phase, very slow phase it is moving, because it is a under government high liquidate stock. So what is happening here, BL now if you observe, market always taken a rejection from this point. So why we are considering this stock right now? Because of some reason. Now see, if you observe something in this particular location, it is given a break out from the consolidation phase. So now my target is what? The worst case scenario, I will try to hold it for 129, 140, 150 levels in next 2 to 3 weeks, because it just had amazing breakout from the volume perspective, and exactly took the rejection and the support from the trend line, and starting moving one way upside. There is no lower lows, always it made higher highs. So when it makes higher highs, for the technical analysis, this is exactly one way momentum in a stock. So next stock is Zomato. Again, highly discussed stock in a stock market of India, because most of the people thought company is loss making, and IPO say it came very low and sudden drop off from the consolidation zone. So it actually tested all the zones here, and again now it is going to fly because of the volume. So I'll tell you why and how, on the what basis I have decided Zomato. Now, example, if you observe Zomato's stock in this particular location, it always given a downtrend, and consolidated in this particular location. Again downtrend, again consolidation. Now, the beauty here is that, see, this is one major support or resistance for this particular stock, and this is again a major consolidation zone for the stock. Again, this is something called a stage 2 breakout. So what happened here? Every time market actually tested all these zones, and it never moved up from this zone. Now finally it is giving a breakout from these levels. Now observe. Okay, let me remove all the drawings, and I'll show you why we have choose this stock now. So wait 1 minute. So let me remove all the drawings, and I'll mark the levels. So now see, example, this is your breakout, because consolidation happened at this particular zone and particular this zone. So what you need to do now, you need to take a entry above this price and wait for 100, 120, 140. And Zomato will surely give a good returns this time, because it is already done with the bottom, and from the bottom it already took a support, and already given a upside momentum. So guys, thanks for watching the video, and this is our weekly stocks now for the swing trade. And if any questions you have, you can always ask in a comment section, or you have my WhatsApp number, so you can always ask questions there if anything is there. So I'll help you to answer all the queries. Thank you guys. Please follow the levels and the particular targets for this particular stock you will get in a WhatsApp channel because that is a personal trading group, and I will update my targets there personally with the chart analysis. Thank you guys. Jai Hind. Vande Mataram.